Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of the Kaz. In this episode I am going to be looking at and unboxing a set of pins that I got. They are Space Invaders pins. Pins that are based on the Space Invaders video game. So let's take a look at them. Nice set here. Looks like there's about 6 of them. Here's the Space Invaders lettering here, and some artwork from the arcade game itself. The back, it just has some choking warnings and some, it says Space Invaders pin badge set in English, and then the rest in other languages. Choking hazard in English and other languages. And it's by something, it's by a company called Numbskull. And official Taito licensed product. Yeah, and let's just open it up here. Not that easy to open. Let's see. Let's reach down in there. Don't want to tear it. Don't want to tear it. Okay, there we go. It feels like a foam backing here that the pins are in. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Okay, there's the box. Yeah, there are. It's on a, it's like a paper background, which is on a foam backing. Got the 6 pin backs here, the stud backs, and this is a pink, orange, light blue, darker blue, aliens. There's a reddish spaceship, and the cannon is a light blue or blue. But let's how if I take them out, you can see it. If I just push them, let's kind of pull them out there. It's kind of tough. The pin came off here from the backing. Let's get the backing out there. Let's see if there's an easier way to get it out. Okay, well, here's this pin. Let me give you. I'll do a close up of all of them as I take them out. Hold on 1 second. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna get a pen. I have a pen here. I'm going to see if I can push them out. See if that is any easier. Yep, came right out. So I just push these out. Come on. Not that easy. But I guess that's a security thing maybe? I don't know. Push that one out. Come on, push it out. Push you out here. Push. There we go. And this one. There we go. All of them are out. Not the easiest to get them out, but they're secure. They're secure in there, so maybe that's the design, so they didn't rattle all around. But there's the back in there, and it's a rigid foam there. But let's take a look at each one individually, starting with the spaceship. Very nice digital design here, 8-bit design. Nothing on the back other than a textured background here. It's like there's holes there for the, as you can see in the front there. Each of these is a hole. It's not just another layer of enamel inside there. The only enamel that's there is the reddish enamel. Here's the spaceship. Here's the cannon. Very simple. The cannon from the game itself that shoots the Space Invaders. Very nice, clean. A little bit of something right there. It's not perfectly flat, but it does have a nice surface right there. Okay, this little alien was the first one I took out. Here's his background back there. Nice shiny silver pin back on it. There's him. A little discoloration there. Not perfect. Not the perfect numbskulls, but a little discoloration there in the alien's forehead. It does have his 2 eyes there. Very nice. This alien I have as a Funko Pop is green, but this one is blue. That's nice. And this guy is a pinkish color, flesh color. His 2 eyes, there's holes. And lastly, this little guy, this little jellyfish looking one, very light blue, baby blue. That's that for the Space Invaders pin set. Well, there you have the Space Invaders enamel lapel pin set from Numbskulls. I will be wearing these to work every Friday on my lapel pin Friday. I wear them as tie tacks in the middle of my tie. Thanks for coming to this episode of the Kaz. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Thanks. Bye.